Really exciting technology that has been getting a lot of attention recently is that of 5G and its ability to supercharge industrial IoT. Now, really in the industrial space, wireless has never really taken off despite both industrial and commercial variants being introduced. And the next step is really looking at, does 5G open the door to wireless connectivity on the factory floor? And there are a few elements to that that are really going to improve the ability for networking on the factory. One of those is the support of ultra-reliable low-latency communication, or the URLLC, which is an element of 5G that enables low-latency performance, which is critical in the manufacturing space. There's also the ability to scale multiple more devices and also greater bandwidth to support a number of other applications that are very bandwidth dependent. The other element that's exciting about 5G is the ability to support private networks. So that means that companies can have a network within their own facility and minimises that concern around cybersecurity when sending data out of the four walls of the plant. In terms of some of the applications that are really going to be suitable here, some of the initial implementations are going to be around autonomous mobile robots. That's supporting the navigation of automated equipment around the factory floor. That's also going to be very common in the warehouse sector as well. Also for tracking critical assets around the factory floor, as well as augmented reality in terms of providing a smoother experience for the user. But the big question really we see is when. When is this really going to happen? And it's important for companies to understand that networks aren't born overnight. This is really something that will take, we believe, until mainstream adoption 10 to 15 years. There are still developments required in terms of getting the standards finalised, such as URLLC. Once those are finalised, that still needs to appear in silicon, which then needs to appear in the equipment, which ultimately needs to be deployed on the factory floor.